Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 3 power 12 minus 3 power 11. Now, let's express this as 3 power 11 plus 1. Of course, 11 plus 1 is 12, and for the fact that we have 11 here already, so this is pretty much fine. Then minus 3 to the power of 11. Now consider a power x plus y. This equals a power x times a to the power of y. So 3 to the power of 11 times 3 to the power of 1 minus 3 to the power of 11. So from here, have 3 to the power of 11 times this divides 3 power 11. This is 3 minus 3 power 11 divides 3 power 11. That is 1. And this simply gives us 3 power 11 times 3 minus 1. That is 2. So from here, we have 3 power 11 times 2. Finding the value of 3 power 11, we simply express it as 3 power 10 plus 1 times 2. And from here, remember, a power x plus y equals a power x times a to the power of y. So we simply have 3 power 10 times 3 power 1 times 2. And 3 power 1 is 3, so we have 3 power 10 times 3 times 2. This equals 3 power 10 times 6. So 3 power 10 is 3 power 5 times 2 times 6. This equals 3 power 5 to the power of 2 times 6. So from here, we need to find out the value of 3 power 5. 3 power 5 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. This is 9. This is 27. It is 81. 81 times 3 is 243. So this value here, we are going to raise it to the power of 2. So this means we have 243 power 2, which is 243 times 243. And 243 times 243, let's multiply out. So 3 times 3, that is 9. 3 times 4, 12 to carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1. So from here, we proceed to 4. 4 times 3, that is 12 to carry over 1. 4 times 4, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 7 carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 1, we have 9. So 2 times 3, we have 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, we have 4. We add up everything together. This is 9, 4, this is 20, 0 carry over 2. Add here, this is 19, this is 594.9. 594.9. So we are going to multiply this value by 6. This is 594.9 times 6. So let's start. 6 times 9, that is, so this gives us 54, 4 carry over 5. 6 times 4, that is 24 plus 5, 29. 9 carry over 2. 6 times 0, 0, 0 plus 2, we have 2. 6 times 9 again, 54. So we have 4 and carry over 5. 6 times 5, that is 30. So 30 plus 5, we have 35. So this is what we are getting for 3 to the power of 12 minus 3 to the power of 11. This is 354,294. So this is it, guys. If you enjoyed, kindly subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.